So today I went to Home Depot and I met this older man named Larry who helped me in flooring. Shout out to Larry. He was absolutely awesome. He was so helpful. He was so fun. He was so good. And he has made rugs, like a rug for the Pope, a rug for the White House, coming to America, like all these crazy things. But anyway, so I love going to Home Depot because when I go there, I feel like they're just really helpful and they're very customer service oriented, and that means a lot to me. I was able to ask all of my questions, kind of bounce ideas. I need to talk things through. So I was able to bounce ideas off of him, and he was able to sort of help me figure out what I'm trying to do at all. And that was really, really great and really helpful. And I bought all my materials. I have everything here in my kitchen. I'm absolutely exhausted right now. Ended up having to go to 2 stores. That's a little tip for you if you're ever going to try to rent a tool. Like I'm renting my tile cutting tool. Call or look it up or something. Ask. Make sure that the store you're going to actually has that. Basically any tool, large tool that you can think of, can be rented for just a fee. It's like 4 hours or 24 hours. So that was really good. I was able to get that done. Now I am about to start taking the wallpaper down. I'm gonna let you guys watch that process. It's 7:06 at night and I'm honestly not anticipating being done with this for at least another 2 hours. So we'll see. I just turned the power off in the kitchen. I learned how to do that. I've always kind of known in the back of my head, but I never had to do it. So that was like a big girl moment for me. And now I'm just going to take these switches off and start scoring. One more thing. I tried to go the easy way out. I'd heard that you can use fabric softener and water or something like that to get your stuff off, your wallpaper. Y'all, just buy the solution. It worked some, but it was so annoying that I might as well have not done it, and I feel like it kind of ripped up my wall and all this other stuff. So bought the solution this time. I'm really hoping and praying it's gonna work. I have extremely sensitive skin. It's dry season, as you know, so I'm kind of nervous about that as well, but here we go. So right here I'm just taking this little scorer and running it all over the wall. When I spray my solution onto the wall, it really penetrates. They tell you not to press too hard when you use this or you'll mess up your wall, and I'm sure that's true, but I am about to lay down some tile, so I don't exactly care. So here's the wallpaper stripper I bought. Honestly, I didn't care. Like I said, at that point I was willing to pay whatever. World's best wallpaper stripper, whatever. I believe you. Let's do this. I'm gonna spray it on my wall. I love that it came in this really convenient spray bottle. I'm basically soaking it. Yes, I know I have dishes right here. My plan is to let that sink in and do these dishes. Alright, so I waited for you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try peeling this stuff, peeling it up. I think it's gonna work pretty easily because I did sort of peek at it in one spot, but I'm not sure. Okay. Stuff is atrocious. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Just so badly. The guy, Larry, that I met, he was like, if I could give you any one piece of advice, it would be patience. This is the type of thing he told me, that you just have to be very patient. You have to take your time, and you can't go back, you know, you can't undo it. And that was a good word, because I mean, seriously, it's so easy to just be frustrated with all of this and just wanna just be done. It's drying pretty quickly, actually. But I can't just be done. I just have to take my time. All I know is that I'm kind of terrified for removing wallpaper in any other part of my house, because this is like killing my walls. Okay, I see you. Can you see? I don't know. Huge strips though. It's very rewarding, guys. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. I can give you a better angle. You see? It's going so much better. Okay, so I'm gonna need a back massage. Like a serious back massage. And down here, it just has not been clean, guys, like you see. And honestly, I have my theories as to why, but I don't exactly know why. Again, I would not be doing this if I was gonna just paint this wall, like, for real. This is, I'm trying to be careful, don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to be careless, but I would be much more meticulous if I was not about to cover this up in less than 24 hours. So you're gonna meet my mom tomorrow. She is fantastic, first of all. She's fantastic. She is very intentional. I think that's what I would say about her. As a person, my mom is an extremely intentional person, and so she called me, partially because she's my mother, but also because she's intentional, to say, she called me to say, all right, Delise, you know, I'm coming over tomorrow to help you. I just wanted to make sure that you've done all your research, that you know what you're looking for. You know, she's like being extremely specific, and I'm thankful that she's the one who's helping me with this. Honestly, I wouldn't want anyone else helping me with this, because she asks questions. She asks the hard questions, always. And she doesn't want to do something halfway, and I really love that about her. And so I know that she's gonna help me get this done right. Like, we're not about to halfway do this. We're gonna do this to the best of our ability. But she's not an annoying perfectionist. She just aims for excellence, if you know what I mean. To all you perfectionists out there, I understand that you're trying to strive for greatness, and I admire that in you. It's just hard to ever achieve perfection because you're not God. So sometimes you do have to settle. And my mom understands, I think, you know, what point that is. Guys, we just rounded the bend. It's taken me literally a lifetime, but I'm doing it. Say hi, Mom. She's one of my actual faithful viewers. One of my
I am. I'm loving this. I don't know about
She
y'all.
watches
Oh yeah.
with the rest of, so I guess we're talking to her right now.